This question, I think this is definitely one for you, Katie. What recipes can you give us for bites that we can make in advance to freeze and pop in the oven for impromptu guests?
Definitely. I love these little mini rye tartlets, so you can make them really, really easily. Pop them into your tray ready, but then put them in the freezer so that then as soon as you've got guests arriving, they take like 20 minutes in the oven, and then basically just raid your fridge for any fillings. So they're nice with something creamy, so a little bit of creme fraiche or some yogurt, and then just pop on the top maybe a bit of smoked mackerel or some cherry tomatoes.
You've got here, haven't you?
Yes.
So when you say tartlets, so you made these out of rye pastries?
Rye flour,
Rye flour.
and they've got a few seeds in them, which gives them a really nice crunch as well. So yeah, they're a nice little mini crunchy tart.
I've been dying to eat one of these.
And then you can basically just use whatever's in your fridge. I always have a bit of creme fraiche or yogurt in my fridge, so, and some colourful vegetables.
Delicious. Is that healthy?
Yeah, absolutely.
Why is that healthy?
So in particular, Katie's used mackerel. So that is a really good source of omega-3, which sometimes we struggle to get. So that is sort of the standout ingredient to me. So a little bit of protein, a little bit of in the mackerel, a little bit of protein in the in this case it's cream cheese, isn't it? Is that right? And then seeds are wonderful to include in your diet wherever you can. So beautiful. Full marks for Katie.
Fantastic. And that is just so tasty. And I love the fact that you just grab whatever you've got in your fridge and just fill them with whatever you've got.
Or like jars of sun-dried tomatoes or
So you pre-make them, you pre-cook them?
No, so I don't cook them. Make the pastry, chop them out, put them in the tins, and then put them into the freezer, and then you just cook them when you need them. So 20 minutes in the oven.
In the tin?
Yeah.
And you need to get some of those little tartlet tins.
Little canapé tins. And then once they've frozen solid in the tin, you can take them out and just pop them in a Tupperware container if you need to save some space in your freezer.
Ah, brilliant idea. Fantastic. Oh, I love that idea. I'm going to do that, actually.